When using your Truma heating system and plugged into electric, a light will appear at the bottom right hand side of the screen. You can see here that we are displayed with the time before we press any buttons to get started with the system. To access the system, you press the middle button in and this will get you onto your heating system. First off, we'll look at the vehicle temperature. When this symbol is flashing, that is how you know which one you're hovering over. Simply press the button in and this first one will control the temperature of your vehicle. Change the temperature with the dial and when happy with the temperature, simply press the button in until it clicks. This will now mean the heating is on in your vehicle and you will see a little symbol appear. To turn your heating off, simply do the same process but in reverse. Click the button down, scroll down the heating temperature and then select the button again to ensure that this has been selected. Now let's move on to hot water. To do this, you simply scroll the dial to the next icon. When this begins to flash, press your button in and this is how you will control your hot water. Now let's run you through your options for your hot water. We have Eco, which is 40 degrees and is a lower temperature for your water. We have Hot, which is for 60-degree water, so for things such as taking showers and using your sink. We then have Boost, and your Boost setting sacrifices the heating of your vehicle and focuses solely on providing you with hot water. This can give you hot water in around 20 minutes. Now we're going to move on to your power supply. We have Gas, Mix 1, which is gas and 1 amp, Mix 2, which is gas and 2 amps, Electric 1 and Electric 2. We advise Mix 1 and Electric 1 for poorer electric hookups at certain sites. Now let's take a look at the vent option in your vehicle. This allows air to be circulated through the vehicle without the use of your boiler. As we show you here, you can turn your vent from off to on and up the speed of your fans, meaning that you can let more air or less air in and around your vehicle. We will now move on to the symbols at the bottom of your panel. On the bottom left, we have the ability to set a timer. This timer can control when your heating kicks in or when it turns off. You simply scroll the dial, select the number, press in, and then it gives you the option to select a different time for your heating to turn off. The next one is how you set the time on your panel, and then we go into your settings of your vehicle. In this, you can control your brightness, the language, and reset any error messages that you may receive when loading the Truma panel up. We hope this quick run through of the Truma heating system helped you understand how to use your heating.